Do you want unlimited opportunities, better relationships, a healthy body, a forgiving heart, a clear thinking mind, and enough money to fulfill your dreams? If so, keep watching, because today we're diving into the hidden power that's been holding you back. It's time to conquer the enemy within and unlock the treasures of life. You see, many of us can't achieve these amazing things because there's an insidious voice inside our heads, always whispering negative thoughts. This voice tells us we're not smart enough, strong enough, or good enough to pursue our dreams. It's like an unseen enemy, leading to anxiety and depression, blocking us from the life we truly deserve. But fear not, my friends, for the journey to control this inner voice, although not easy, is absolutely necessary. It's the key to unlocking the treasures of life. This constant conversation with ourselves shapes our reality, and it can be our greatest ally or our worst enemy. The negative self-talk we carry can determine what we achieve in life. Let's draw inspiration from the incredible stories of some remarkable individuals who faced the same challenges. Thomas Edison, the brilliant mind behind the electric light bulb, encountered thousands of failures. Yet, he refused to listen to his inner negative voice, persevered and succeeded. And then there's the awe-inspiring journey of J.K. Rowling, the author of the beloved Harry Potter series. Despite facing hardships, she devoted herself to her writing, battling depression and financial struggles. Her inner dialogue could have easily been dominated by despair, but she didn't give in. Rowling's story teaches us a vital lesson: controlling our inner dialogue and maintaining self-belief can lead us to unimaginable success. As she wisely said, anything's possible if you've got enough nerve. If you control your inner dialogue, even when the world seems to say you can't, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, let's delve into the types of negative self-talk and learn how to overcome them. We'll explore filtering, personalizing, catastrophizing, and polarizing. These are the culprits that feed on our dreams and aspirations. But remember, the power to change it is within your grasp. Your thoughts shape your reality, so make them inspiring. Challenge negative thoughts. Recognize that they're not facts, but mere opinions shaped by past experiences and fears. For every negative thought, write down a positive counter-thought. Replace "I can't" with "I can" and "I will." Mia Yamanouchi once said, "The way you choose to think and speak about yourself is a choice." It's time to make the choice to be kind to yourself, to stop aiming for perfection, and to stop comparing yourself to others. Be thankful for what you have, practice mindfulness, surround yourself with positivity, and remember, controlling your inner negative dialogue is a daily ritual. It takes practice and patience, but the change is worth it. The next time you notice that negative voice inside your head, don't ignore it. Answer it kindly, and you'll become more understanding and forgiving of yourself. Share this message with your loved ones, and let's all embark on this journey together. Thank you for being here, and remember, may divine love always be with you. Let's conquer that inner voice and unlock the limitless possibilities that await.